Hello and welcome to My Career Doctor, friends. I'm here with right now few students of My Career Doctor. These are the online students. Well, in this video, I'm gonna check out, of course, the communication skills one by one. Right now, we have here Tripti Jain, Bhavna Mangla, Rajendra Prasad, Leena Gupta, Virendra Samal, Srikant, Pratik Gaur, Ram, Vishal Pandey, Kajal, Srinkla, and Sumanpreet. Please put this on mute, guys. All right. Tripti ji.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So please let us know, when did you start learning spoken English and how do you practice learn English, ma'am?
Sir, I am starting more listening and sir, and reading and some sir you give to topics and all things. Sir, I am thinking about every time is stopping which you use in grammar. So every time is topic, every time is written is more focused grammar and YouTube MCD video. Sir, I'm more improve me, sir.
So, ma'am, can you please let us know which part of USA you live there in? And do you get their environment to improve your English or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, here is batch improvement, sir. Yeah, this my here is lives in US improvement, sir. Hello.
And yes. And how do you feel now?
Sir, I am sir, today I am very feel proud of, because sir, today I am going to shop and like is mall messy, so I am talking only my husband and left mega. I am going to talk about sale person. I want this, I want this. I'm more confident. My husband every time you speak without thinking. You speak very time without thinking, and I have feel confidence. Ki everybody not judging me my grammar, not you judge ki I am using wrong word, am I using wrong grammar. I am thinking about every speak, but speak. I feel, sir, very happy today. I am very happy. Every time I'm go to, I'm very feel bad ki I am not talking about your Americans, I am not talk about your anything. I'm very feel bad, but today I'm very happy. I am go to alone or shopping all and bill and credits all, so I feel is good. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Bhavna ji, my question would be to you. You are a working professional, am I right?
Sir, pardon?
All right. You are a working professional, right?
Yes, I'm working professional.
Right. And you live there in Bangalore. Is it so?
Yes. Yeah.
That's
Yeah, you're right.
That's great. So please let us know how easy it is to improve our communication through online medium. Is it different than online to offline? How difficult is it to improve ours?
Okay. According to me, I feel online is much more comfortable, because see, I have very personal example from I think last few months I was watching a video, and when this COVID situation hasn't happened, so only things came in my mind that why this class is not existing in Bangalore. And because anyway, because of the distance, I was staying in a different state altogether. So I think the online is a best platform. Basically, wherever you want to go, you can go. Even if you want to talk to the native speakers, or want to take classes from the native speakers, you can go. You do not need to go to America. You do not need to go to Canada. Though I would say that personal touch is missing somewhere, because see, in online we are talking one to one, but sometimes this technology created an issue, right? Because see, right now, like, everybody has to be on mute. Nobody can give me feedback instantaneously. So that sort of the thing I would say is missing in online classes. But like, I feel more comfortable. Why? Because I do not need to go anywhere. It is more approachable, more friendly, and I can be. Uh, I just woke up. If I would have been going to the like physical classes, I would have taken bath and ready, and then think how to commute to that place. So I think it's good way to utilize your time, and simultaneously you do not need to worry about other stuffs. You can take those online classes at your bed. So I think it's a good way.
Thank you very much,
Yes.
ma'am, and wish you
Yeah.
all the best. Please put this
Thank
on
you.
mute. Tripti ji,
Yeah,
please
sure.
put this on mute. Guys, please put this on mute. All right. My question to you, Reena ma'am, Reena Gupta, can you please unmute it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Ma'am, please let us know about you. First, that you are a housewife. Am I right?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. I am teacher.
You are a teacher. Okay. So
Yes,
please
sir.
let us know which subject do you teach? How do you teach? And why do you want to learn English?
Yes, sir. I am accountancy teacher.
Wow,
I teach
great.
senior classes. Yes, sir. I teach senior classes, and English is my passion. I know English, but spoken English is weak because in accountancy every terms are in English. I teach in English, uses English terms very well, but spoken English is weak. That's why earlier I joined so many classes in Ajmer. I live in Ajmer. Ajmer is a small city. In Sun 2007 and 8, I joined English spoken classes. Name is ACE. You know very well, maybe ACE Institute, and the institute gave us membership card, lifetime membership card also. And that time I joined 2007 and 8, and I paid so much amount that time, and I am not able to speak a single sentence. I joined and I work hard, and after that, so many years gone, I don't improvement in English. And 2 years before, 2 or 3 years before, I again joined a new institute in Ajmer. That name is Granth, and there I paid 6,500. And I am a hard worker. I know I am a hard worker. Which materials teacher gave us, I study as follow their every rule, but I didn't speak every single sentence. After joining you, I feel much confident, and I am able to speak little bit English, not perfect, but able to speak, and I am confident now. If I continued you, I am definitely perfect in English. That's
Thank you
my
very much.
opinion, sir. That is the best institute in this time.
Thank you very much. So, ma'am, tell me one thing. How do you manage to learn English? You must have to do household work, plus you are a teacher. That's really great job. You deserve a lot of respect from my side. How do you manage time to learn English and do other things as well?
Yes, sir. That time we have many shortage of time. We also make video for school studies also.
Wow.
School studies is going on online classes. You know, online classes is going on. That's why we made video at home for our classes, 11th class, 12th class, 8th maths. I also take 8th maths. So we make video also for school. And rest of time I always read, write, and follow your rule. We're watching videos, read books, and watch your video and do your homework properly. That's make me improvement.
That's good.
I do not waste a single minute. I always do work continue and follow your rule. Every rule I follow.
That's good. That's good. So you are from Ajmer, Rajasthan, right? You're from Ajmer, Rajasthan, right? All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. That's great, ma'am. And I really wish you all the best. That you must learn it as soon as it is possible. I really wish you all the best.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Most
sir.
welcome. All right. All right. Most welcome. Prateek, brother, I would like to talk to you right now. Hello, Prateek. Hi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, bro.
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
I'm good. I'm good. Tell me one thing. Since when you joined this online platform of My Career Doctor, how do you feel? You have to tell the reality. If you feel good, please share. If you do not feel good, please share that also. How do you feel? Do you feel improvement in yourself, or you don't feel improvement in yourself?
Okay, sir. I tell you one reason. I would started my learning English since December 2019, but due to coronavirus, I stopped my learning skills, and I realized in April I can't improvement during 4 months. But I saw your videos on YouTube, and I again think that's a great platform YouTube provided by everyone to learn English in this period. After that, I would contact to you for this skills enhancement, and nowadays only for few days back I connected to you since 25th of June 2020, and today is today is 19th July 2020. So I I would be much more increases enhancing my English language skills, and I am doing much more work as per your given rules and regulation. First of all, you give LSRW. I am working on it. So as per my personal experience, I am gaining well in last only for 25 and 20 days. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much that you're saying that you are improving day by day. What is your goal? What do you want to do in future, and how much English will help you in achieving that goal?
As per my goal, English is must, and also it's a compulsory, because my goal is I have done a bachelor in food technology, and I want to be a master's for abroad. So I crack the IELTS exam in future. So that's why English is compulsory for me, and I want to be a settle in abroad in future. I hope so.
That's good. That's good. I wish you all the best, bro. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir.
God bless you. God bless you. All right. Next, would like to talk to right now Rajendra. Hello, Rajendra. Bro, hi.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, all.
Good morning. Good morning. All right. So, just you are from technical background. Is it necessary to learn English if somebody is from technical background or not? How much it will help you in future?
Sir, actually, most of the content in the internet and all the web pages are most of the content are in English, and that is we all. That's why at least we should know English. As same time, English is a global language, and most of the material everywhere is available in English. So I think we should everyone should need to learn English.
All right.
Sir,
Thank you. Thank you very much. How do you feel now? Do you feel like you are improving or you are not improving?
Sir, best part for me is when I started, that is the first thing is the Corona period, and sometime I feel low just because of I am living alone, and same time I started joined your MCT batch, and after that daily I am investing my 3 to 4 hours in English. 1 hour with the speaking batch, then I went to the various sites like YouTube, various channels in YouTube, like your channel also. I just watch and learn from there, and same time I talk with the friends, like you also suggested Buddy Talk, so I talk there at least half an hour. So at least 3 to 4 hours I dedicated my time for English purpose, and this is a quite useful.
Thank you very much because you're using your time. All right. Sumanpreet ji, hello. All right. All right. Please let us know where are you from and how do you practice to learn English? How much do you get benefit from online classes?
Okay, sir. First of all, good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Suman. I belong to Punjab, Jalandhar. And last 20 days, my English improved day by day. I create 2 groups on Telegram, and we conversation to each other.
it is very important to us because everyone motivated day by day.
Give me that curtain.
And everyone caring about us, and I always follow your rule, LSRW. And one more thing, I you suggested to us, can you using OpenTalk. So sometime I using OpenTalk and conversation with the stranger person. Before MD classes, I cannot English, but right now I speak English very well, and with confidence. But before MD classes, I have no confidence in front of camera. Nowadays, I conversation to each any stranger person. And one day I speak with my friend, and he told that you are improving day because he knows my past my English communication skills. But right now he can say my improving day by day. So after MD classes, join MD classes, I they all share on social media like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. But after that, I my whole time spent on Telegram. When I turn on the net, I usually open the Telegram always and speak with my our friends. And I suggested to my our friends, my best friend, my our close friends. So they talk me on Telegram in English.
Thank you very much.
So thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity.
Thank you very much, ma'am. God bless you. Kajal, my question to you. You have been doing job in corporate house, and you must be, all right. You have been doing job.
Sorry, sir?
You have been doing job also. You are
Yes,
working.
sir.
All right, all right. Kajal, how much difficult is it for a girl to do job, to do household work, to manage each and everything? Do you ever get any kind of hint from your parents or like from your friends or neighbors? Ladki hai, kyun itna mehnat kar rahi hai? What would be your comment on it? It's little difficult and strange for you, this question, but I want answer.
Sir, I am studying also. I am studying master, doing job in Vodafone Idea Limited. Also, I manage my home because my father not there now. They passed away last 10 years. So all responsibility for me. So I manage all the, and first thing, English is more important. And sometimes I go interview in other companies. So they always communicated with us in English. So sometimes I don't give their answers. So I feel disappointed that time because now I am working in Vodafone, but my post is not good post. I work in low post. So I feel disappointed that time. I go somewhere for interview. So I don't talk with them in English. So it's much necessary. So I spent my job studying, and now in last 1 month I also in a spoken English. I speak daily and 9 p.m. So I feel happy. So now I speak a little English. In past I don't speak in English.
All right, all right, all right. And what about Gujarati? Do you speak Gujarati?
Yes, sir. I speak Gujarati, Sindhi, and Hindi also.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Hindi yeah.
Now I'm speak English also.
All right, that's great. That's great. And
So
God bless
so
you.
happy.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
I wish you all the best. That you must get job as a senior. You must get promotion in your company. But one thing you have to do is that never ever stop learning.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right. Most welcome. Most welcome. God bless you. God bless you. Srinkla, my question to you. I asked a question to Kajal. She might not have heard this question. You are from Banaras, am I right?
Yes, sir.
All right, great. So, have you ever heard this comment from your parents? कि ज़्यादा पढ़ के क्या करेगी बेटी?
No, sir. They are very supportive.
They are very supportive. That's really very nice. How much communication is important in your life? How much this language will help you? And what do you want to do in your life?
Actually, sir, I am pursuing MCA. After a few months, I will go to the interview, and they also they already communicate with the English. Most of the interviewer don't know Hindi, so it is very important to know English for the communication in my field. I want to become a data scientist. So most of the customers, most of the clients belong to the abroad, and they don't know Hindi. So how can I communicate with them? So English is very important. Even not my field, even most of the people which are here, and many of the people which are not belong to this field. It is very important because it is a international language, and we know about these things.
Are you from CBSE board or UP medium? UP board.
UP board, sir. UP board.
That's great. That's great. When did you start learning English?
Sir, last 7 to 8 months.
That's good.
Sir,
That's
I
good.
started learning the grammar, more about the grammar, and I follow LSRW, but somewhere I got stuck that where I made mistakes. I don't know where I made mistake. Then one day I find this type of platform that I was very happy to join these classes. I help a lot, sir, because speaking. We are able to write, read, but speaking is most important for us. That is
Thank you.
very good platform, sir.
Thank you. God bless you. Great job. All of you are doing fantastic job. I talked to Reena ma'am, I talked to Bhavna, I talked to Rajendra, I talked to Tripti ji. All of you doing great job. Sumanpreet also, there is network issue, but she did. Once again, I'll ask you. My question to you, Ram Vishal Pandey. Brother, please let us know when you started. Please listen this question very carefully. When you started learning English, the first day, what did you feel at first day, and how do you feel now? How long it has been starting your English spoken journey?
So first day when I was started, then I am not able to speak any sentences in front of anyone. But after 15 and 19 days ago, when I joined your channels, and I get improved myself very much, and I'm very confident. We can say I have automatically English language created in my mind automatically, and not even to translate in Hindi to English, any other language to English. So it is a very good platform, and you as well as Vivek sir and RS sir was very supporting for everyone, students who has joined their platform, and moreover in the night batches, it was going to 11:30 and 15 past 12. Then not an issue. They was on that time they was agree that if you have any question, any doubts, you can ask without hesitation. So it is very good platform for everyone, and whoever is watching that video, last time I want to suggest to him that not one time, but one time they should have to join MCD class also if they want to improve their English communication and achieve a good goal in their life.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Pandey, and God bless you. Please put it on mute for some time. Please. All right. My question to you, Virendra. You're from Odisha, I know, and the condition of education in the whole India is worst. It is going through the worst phase. It's because of the ignorance from government, because of the people and all. Still, how do you feel? Do you feel English is being supported there in Odisha or not? I mean, the government of Odisha, they support English or they do same that happens in UP and Bihar?
First of all, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. If I talk about our Odisha education system, same things like UP and Bihar. And I am a BA student, Bachelor of Arts. So when I was start to speak in English, that time I faced a lot of problem. And I belong to arts background subject. So last 5 year I plus 2 and plus 3. I have read in Odia in my native language and always think in my native language. So that's why I face some problem that time. And our Odisha education system, there are not good in English subject. And yes, sir, when I start to speak in English, yes, sir. Sir, when I was start watching your video, that time I thought really it is a good channel, and day by day I follow your whatever you provided, and I always watch your video. And 21 challenge, 15 days challenge. I have lot of thing learned from your channel. And sir, all things I know. You always saying follow LSRW. Sir, I always follow LSRW, and whatever you said, that I always follow. And then after I join Telegram channel, and after now I join a premium class. So I am very happy because I want to when I was start watch your video, that time I always start when I talk to Prakash sir, and I was always I one day will be definitely I speak with Prakash sir. So today I fulfill my dream in front of us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, and God bless you. I really wish you all the best. What's a very important question to you? Versa is left, and I'll talk to you randomly, guys. Versa, is it easy to learn English from? Yes, Versa, listen to me carefully. Is it easy to learn English from? Yes, Babu. Is it easy to learn English from YouTube channels? Or if I talk about My Career Doctor, how is it easy? Sometimes I see people say that Pagal banata hai gadha. What is your opinion? Can we learn English or not?
Yes, yes, sir. I learn English, and you know, sir, I watch lots of channel, but I feel not good. But then I watch your channel. I feel ki yeah, you are very motivated, and you always motivated everyone. So I feel this channel is very good, and I always follow what you say. And yeah, sir, LSRW, and I always motivate every person. Yeah, sir. Sometimes I'm doing lots of mistake, and my grammar is not good. But yeah, now I'm able to talk anybody, any person, any stranger. I talk. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Do you think so? You would be able to learn English or not?
Yes, sir. Now I'm able to learn English, sir.
What is your goal?
Sir, my goal is I wanna be a fashion designer, and fashion. You know, sir, fashion designer is industry is very much English, and yes, sir, and I'm good. I want to go to a Paris, because Paris is the city of fashion.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That's why I learn English, and my dream is so big, sir. And I also want to motivate every person.
That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. All the best, Babu, and God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
I'll come to Reena ji, but before that, Tripti ji, I would ask you right now that how much do you conversate to your husband and with your kids in English? What kind of environment is there at your home? Do you talk there in Hindi or English? Do you feel that comfortable or not? I repeat, ma'am, do you talk to your kids and husband in English?
Sir, me? Tripti?
Yes, yes. Tripti
Yeah,
ki
sir.
awaaz.
Sir, today I am very comfortable today. I am talk with my daughter. Husband is not feel like shy, but daughter every time talk, and stranger people I talk is without thinking English. And other person, sir, you can understand my problem is facing in US. Every single person not talk to Hindi. I'm very depressed, sir. Sir, I had thought in mind came. I have seen video in 1 month, sir. I feel ki one day I am joining this conferencing. I have never thought ki I will be part in this MCD, sir. This time my dream is true. I have never thought, sir.
Ma'am, MCD is very small organization. You live there in USA. That's great. How
No,
did you
sir. US is not nothing. Nothing, sir. I have joining English course in the USA, sir. Many Americans, many Mexican, many Chinese, but sir, not the method very different, sir. And you have teacher is sit the talk about is randomly. You are not you upload in a video in projector. I'm the as a no nothing is method is not good, sir. Study. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Your MCD, sir. I thought ki I want to sir pass in 7 years because I have lived in Noida. So I then time your MCD career. I joining sir speaking course. I have spent 7,000 because I am doing MCA. I needed to interview facing, but I never saw one small sub able not to speak English. I'm that time I've only 20 days I speak English because I'm confident. I am very confident because of sir I'm talk about here my friends and my husband sometimes and my daughter. Yeah, today's I'm going to shopping and Americans and little bit. I'm very confident. I am thinking I can talk English. Sir, I am
That's-
facing in 5 years, last 5 years facing this problem.
Thank you, ma'am. And I really wish you all the best. It's all about to remove our hesitation. Get into public and speak. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग हंसेंगे और क्या? और
Yeah,
याद
sir.
रखिएगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हंसेंगे.
I
और-
don't care about anything. I am using wrong grammar. I am using wrong English conversation. I am talk about. I am only talk.
याद रखिएगा, जिस पर दुनिया ने हंसा, इतिहास भी उसी ने रचा. Right? So
Yeah,
I
sir.
tell you,
Sir, I have never seen this teacher because of you are very. Sir, I have no words. Yeah, very polite, sir. Is Babu and it's very polite, sir. I have never seen this teachers. I have never seen this, sir.
all right. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
All right. Thank you very much, ma'am. God bless you, and I wish you all the best. Salute your courage. Reena ji, ma'am, where are you? Please unmute it.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes, sir.
conversation may go for a long time. We will talk more. Don't worry. अगर 2 घंटे का भी ये वीडियो हुआ तो मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा. It's for practice. All right. This video is not to
Yes,
gain more and more views. This is for practice. So we can conversate for a long time. I'll ask you so many questions to you guys. Ma'am, you are a teacher.
Yes.
Doing great. I salute you. And tell us, please, one thing. How much education is important for us, and especially for girls? I personally believe that we should teach girls more because girls can teach the whole generation, right?
Yes, sir.
To her kids and all. So how much education is important for us? If you want to change the country like India, which is developing, what would be the role of education?
Yes, sir. Sir, education is necessary. If we compare other countries like America and China and Japan, if we compare developed country, then India is also less. India is a developed country and they are developed. No, India is undeveloped country. India is less India is backward from so many big cities. If we compare, then other countries, India is back. Only reason is education. Their education system is not supportive. We educate children, but not make a educated person to face practically in market. We give education to children, every children, and our government give us so many courses. But if we tally in practically, this course is not used in anywhere for a person. Suppose I teach accountancy in 11th and 12th. We teach students what is debit, what is credit, what is cash statement, financial statement, and so many things. If in 11th, 12th stage, a person didn't know don't know what is this and practically how is it usable. If when a person grown up and get a job, same field, like, then little bit knowledge comes for earlier he studied. Otherwise, this knowledge is waste. And in other country, they gave practical knowledge. Then a student face directly in the market and make development in her or his behavior. So our education system is not such a good. That's why our country is so back comparing to other countries. Nowadays we are always dependent on China for any smart phone or any other technology. Japan and China are forward from us. We are always backward. Only education system. Our education system is for bookish, but not practically usable.
Correct. Ma'am, are you
for my
the teacher?
Opinion.
Yes. Are you the teacher of government school or private school?
No, sir. I am teaching in missionary school, private school. Missionary school and Slum Convent in Sofia, all are missionary school. I am working in Sofia Hindi medium school.
All right. So missionary schools are considered better than normal private schools of India. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Missionary
school is better.
Rules and regulations are very nice, strict for each and
very
everybody.
Better.
There. I have also heard about so missionary schools. My Nanaji is a teacher. He is still alive, and he shared so many knowledges about missionary schools, private schools, and modern education and all. Thank you very much, ma'am. You have great thought. I wish you all the best and God bless you. Vikrant is there. Hi, Vikrant. How are you? Most welcome. Hi,
hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm great, sir. What about you?
I'm also good. I'm also good and great. Vikrant, what do you do right now? And how much have you learned so far in English? Please let us know.
Actually, sir, I am a last year student of civil engineering, and I started my English journey from your organization, MCD. I'm started in the month of April. I just watched your first video in MCD, and just at that time I just revoked my mind, and I'm started the 25 days lockdown challenge from you, and then I'm just completed, and just the one thing I just experience about that I know very well about the importance of the English that time. Then just I followed your I frequently watch your videos, and then I just use I'm joining your Telegram channel, and then you posted some classes or messages related. So I just think about from 2 months to join that class, but that time I just not get lot of much attracted to this. But when I joined your classes, I'm just I don't share about in words. I just my English is in the bottom of the this, and now I'm just talking in front of you all. This is not a good thing for me and my parents also. So I just desire to I just saw some people are just whatever they talk in English in front of the people. I just I just saw the same and just like I visualize myself to talk in the front of the peoples and in English and related to my subjects. But now I'm just doing very well, and because of you and your team. So that's thank you so much, sir, for your contribution in my improvement in English.
Thank you very much. Actually, the team of My Career Doctor, they are doing great job. All the members, whether that is Vivek Job, Indrakant, Monica, Priya Gupta, and Dilsa. These guys are doing great job, guys. Thank you very much.
Sure.
Wishing you all the best. My question
so
will
much,
be good. God bless you, Mr. Pandey. Ram Vilas. All right. Let me please talk to Arvind first. Hi, Arvind. Hello. Arvind, your voice is not coming. Switch on the mic. Maybe there is technical issue. Okay, you just get this free. We'll come back to you once again. All right. Now, Mr. Ram Vishal Pandey.
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you doing BTech?
Sorry, pardon, sir?
What are you doing, friend? You doing BTech or?
I'm doing job.
You doing?
Job.
You're doing job. Where are you living right now?
I'm living in Sector 63, Gurgaon.
Okay, you come from Gurgaon, Delhi
Yes,
NCR.
yes. Yeah.
Is it? Where are you from?
Basically, I am from Ayodhya, UP, and 2 years ago I came in Gurgaon and I doing my job because I have completed my MCom as well as I have completed my Inter CA IPCC. Then now I am doing job and assistant manager in a finance department.
That's good. That's good. So you have done CA.
And, yeah, but CA is not because I have failed in final first attempt and back to back I failed 2 times. So I leave it and I decided so to do a job for financial improvement.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Is it easy to learn English online? What is the difference between online and offline?
Actually, sir, I have earlier after 12th, I have also joined offline batches for English, but I think that platform was not good for me because I learn all grammar and all grammar we can say parts of the speech, direct, indirect, or whatever is come in grammar. Everything I have learned before 8 years ago, but that improvement is not coming. Online classes is very we can see is good because what we are doing, it doesn't matter. We have to only conclude 1 or 2 hours for speaking. If I went offline classes, then we have to prepare 1 hours ago for that classes and travel. Also, we can say the online classes will be save your time instead of offline classes.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Pandey. Now, Arvind. Hello, Arvind. Can you hear me? Please unmute it. Arvind. Arvind. Arvind, please rejoin it. I disconnect you. Please, you rejoin this once again. Sumanpreet ji, is she there? She is not there. All right. Okay, nice. Rajendra, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's audible.
Sir, you please focus light on modern education. Is English really necessary? In this
sir, can you repeat? Sir, can you repeat your question?
All right. Brother, I'm asking to you that is English necessary or it's not necessary? Question mark.
Okay, sir. Yes, yes. Okay, sir. Actually, English is a global language, and we all know that a lot of developed country they are speaking English. And as India is a developing country, and we are having most of the business like BPO and other in software industry. Most of the business is from foreign countries, and we have to deal with the foreign clients. So to become global, we need to be a good speaker, and we have to learn English. So if we want to globalize our India, or we have to be developed nation, so we have to focus our education and our people to speak English. So that is the reason we at least we should learn English.
That's great. Thank you very much, brother, and God bless you. Sumanpreet ji,
Thank you.
all right, Sumanpreet ji, please tell us what is the easy way to develop our spoken English ability. Please share with us the easy way to develop our spoken English ability.
Okay, sir. In my opinion, if you improve your English and communication skills, more practice, more practice, listening songs, most of listening everything in English, like any movie, watch movie, listening songs, serial series, watch series. So it is important to improve your communication skill. If you listening more than more, you will definitely improve your communication skills one day, because if I listening anything, so I remember all words and listening here and stay in our mind. So that reason, listening more than more. I'm at office before join my career doctor. I am listening song, but Punjabi song and Hindi song. But after join, I listening songs, and sometime I listening YouTube videos, like open talk videos. Sometime tech bakers, tech talks video, and listening everything in English, listening song. So if you listening more than more, definitely one day your English improve, because everything, our minds, everything catch words and every sentence.
Thank you very
sir.
much. Ma'am, are you from a city? I mean, Jalandhar city or village?
Sir, I am belong to rural area, village.
Okay. So it's really a
Yes.
great achievement for you that you live there in rural area. Still you are practicing. I wish you all the best. Do you want to go to Canada in future?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
God,
I want to go to Canada.
God bless you. I wish you all the best. All right. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Bhavna, please let us know what are the easy, tips, ways to learn English. Please focus some more light. Elaborate it properly, please. And which is your best way to learn English?
Okay, so I think as per my experience, see, we are learning English language since our childhood. Like we started with the ABCD of the English, then we started to make a word, then we started to learn word, then sentence, and then the whole paragraph. But I think most of the Indians, because as our Hindi is a primary language and native language, we can say. So some, like most of the time we suffer, like we are not that confident in speaking the English, like in a speaking communication, because as we do not have that sort of exposure. So I think for me, what I really felt that listening is very much important, because as my personal experience, I still remember that when I joined my post graduation, like every lecture was in English, and I could not able to understand the whole concept. But day by day, because see, every teach there was a rule that everybody has to speak in English, like every teacher. So I think here and there I started to learn from whatever our teachers and lecturers were saying. So I would say that listening is very much integral, very much important part And again, yeah. So what I personally do that, see, uh, from the college or from the school, you can learn a beautiful aspect of the your education, like technical terms. But when it comes to the real based scenarios that you should be. So personally, I prefer lot of YouTube channels. It's not about that they are in English, like they are making us learn English. It's just they are like discussing the various concept about technology, or it could be like they are giving the film reviews, or it could be like they are like discussing various things about journal. So I basically watch lot of YouTube channels, like mainly like most of the channels are in English only. So I think here and there I learn so many phrases and so many words whenever they use. And I think again we say that we have whatever we are listening, again it's a passive. It's until unless you won't speak, it would be in your mind. But again, until unless you are not using that passive conversation to the active conversation, again you will not feel that confident. So personally what I felt that the sort of the environment I came across specifically during my corporates, because like when I was doing job in North, there wasn't like in offices also we used to speak in Hindi, but now I came to Bangalore, so I can like their language is basically either Kannada or English. So like because I don't know Kannada, so anyhow I had to speak in English. And moreover, uh,
Ma'am, are
uh,
you from Bangalore or North India?
I am from North India, Palwal. I am might be you have heard about. It's near to Noida only.
Correct. Palwal, Haryana.
Yeah, Palwal, Haryana. My
All right.
hometown is in Palwal, Haryana.
That's good. That's so. What do you find
Yes.
difference between Delhi NCR and Bangalore? Bangalore is of course Silicon Valley of India. It is the best, but how much do you see the difference?
Yes. So see, I am very like in what terms you are asking me the difference? Like
Difference in communication, of course, and so many things. Whatever you feel, you have been in Delhi NCR also. Right now, you are there
okay,
in
yeah, yeah.
Bangalore.
Yes. So actually, I'm a nature lover person, and I did not find that much greenery in north side. I have been to various places: Gurgaon, Delhi, Chandigarh. Chandigarh, I can say it's far better, but in Bangalore, like it's a very green city, and we used to call like in earlier times we used to call Bangalore as a green city. So in every road you can see a lot of plants, and specifically I would say the weather is really good. We do not have any winters, and we do not have that I don't like most of the people are facing hot scotchy in the north side, but we have a very beautiful weather in Bangalore. Other than that, I would say traffic is worst here. You had to make your plan, make your day like earlier, because so what I do that I start my day very early, like so that I don't stuck in traffic. So I start at 7:30 a.m. in the morning, and I
All right,
generally prefer.
all right. Ma'am, I would like to stop you here because Arvind is there.
Yeah.
Again, he might lost the connection. I'm really very sorry to stop you. We'll get
Sure,
you again.
sure.
Thank you very much. Arvind,
Sure.
hi. Arvind. Hi. Your voice is not coming.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Arvind.
Are you hearing me, sir, now?
Now I'm getting you.
Okay, sir.
All
Okay,
right.
thank you, sir. Because network issue, and it is raining now. So
It's also raining cats and dogs here in Noida. Please share your experience. How do you practice to learn English? How do you practice to learn English?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I watch YouTube video more and more, and I watch especially your videos. and I open we can read because this application is suggested by you, and I think I need approximately 50 to 60 minutes per day. I use open, and first thing is I talk to myself. I talk to myself. I think any thoughts in my mind, then I put into I translate into English, and always I think and I talk to myself. And when I talk to myself, and very loud and loudly, and I read article. I think this that's all about.
Is it easy to learn English or not? Is it easy to learn English or difficult?
Yeah, sir. It is very easy. If I want to learn English, then it is easy, because if I don't try to speak English, because hello, sir.
Yes, I'm getting.
Yes, sir. It is very easy. I'm feeling very well and very comfortable, and I am waiting to my time, because I'm very unlucky. I had a network problem, so that's why I could not join this session in proper time.
It's okay, not an issue. Still, we cannot get your voice properly, but by the way, you're trying and doing great job. All right, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You, Virendra, you please share. See, you guys are not you guys. We means we common people follow the passive method. Right now, Mangla shared. I'm sorry. Bhavna ji shared that a passive method. We don't have to only practice the passive method. We have to focus to the active method. Active means involve yourself into speaking, involve yourself in conversation, involve yourself in practice. Otherwise, it is not possible. Over to you, Virendra. What is your opinion about active method?
Yes, so we should use active method, because whatever we read, not only English. If I talk about whatever we read in our book, we should use active recall, because we can memorize a long time if we use active recall. And you always say about active recall, and I also follow, because I have big dream in my life, UPSC. So that's why I want first I will clear my speak in English, then I start by preparation. And it is important for student active recall, and whatever today we learn, that then after we memorize, and it's very helpful for student.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best that you must crack UPSC, become IAS.
Yes, sir.
Are you from a village or a city?
Yes, sir. I belong to a rural area, and yes, sir, I belong to a rural area.
Okay, great. So what is the environment there? What is the place of your area? I mean, which district and the name of place?
Yes, sir. I belong to Jaspur district in Odisha, and here not good environment to study properly, because my father is sarpanch, and a lot of people come our home, and he always help them, and I also always help them. But I think first I clear my English language, then I start UPSC, because I have already read all topic, history, political, economy, because I belong to arts background. So it is not difficult for me, but only difficult that learning English. But all things are I have read in my native language, history, political, economy. So that's why I face some problem when I start. So in my area, environment is good, but I think yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Rajendra ji is
Yes, sir.
taking rest also. God bless you.
Yes,
All right.
yes,
All
yes.
right. I'll come back to you. Let me ask you. Kajal, this question is to you. Kajal. All right.
Hello, sir.
Kajal, normally you might have seen people, they blame that I don't have good environment, right? You might have
Yes.
seen, like I also
Yes,
used
sir.
to when I was kid. What should we do if we don't have good environment? Should we create ourselves or give up?
Sir, I am in past. I also feel good environment because here
Please mute. Arvind, put this on mute. Tripti ma'am, please put it on mute. Arvind, put this on mute. All right. Go ahead, Kajal.
sir, here mostly people speak in Gujarati, so I have no atmosphere to speak in English, and I last 2 years I speak in practice in speaking, but one friend say me you speak yourself, you make videos, and talk with yourself. So in Corona time, I show sir your videos. That time I feel, and now I'm in my I make many videos in lockdown periods. Used and taught stories, so I speak and I read stories, speak, and then after I make video, and I feel and now I'm create my own environment. And now I speak good English. I think so.
That's great. You're doing great job. Really, you speak better English. There is great improvement, and keep it up. Please do not stop it. Either you learn it yourself or take the help of somebody else, but do not stop it. Practice it yourself, but do not stop it. Thank you. Same
Okay,
question.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you. Same question to Pratik also. Brother, you might have seen a lot of people, like you said that you want to clear IELTS and then you want to go out of India. You might have seen a lot of people, they blame parents, they blame to system, they blame the government, they blame everything except their effort, except their defeat. In that condition, what should we do? Should we also blame, or we should create own environment and try to get something with the help or by the dint of our own efforts? Over to you, Pratik Gaur.
So in this environment, I fight with positive towards. I want to be create positive environments for my achieving goal. So in that case or in that environment, I will do always create our own way, and that's way towards the positive. So I will be also inform that person who told me you are going not well, you are going a negative way, and you are going to abroad and purchase masters and a lot of money you and spend there. So that time I will go forward positive, and in that case my whole family members supporting me, because my elder brother, one of my elder brother is also pursuing all higher education in abroad. He is also now in Oxford, London, doing PhD. So sometimes I face that negative environment, but I will fight that, and I will going well and create positive environment towards my goal.
Great job. Great job.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. I wish you all the best. Now,
and one more thing,
yes,
family
yeah,
good
go ahead.
opportunity to give me for positive environment to give your goals as you want you can go it, because my BTech is completed in 2015, since 2015, and then I'm working continuously 4.5 years in a food manufacturing industry, and suddenly I quit my job and I have to decided I learn English, and I cracked the exam, and then I would purchase masters, and that time my family is also supporting me in each and every steps. You can go forward as you want.
So, bro, you have to focus to LSRW deeply, because if you wanna go and crack the IELTS examination, there they check your reading, listening, speaking, and writing. All the 4 skills they'll check. So you have to put effort from your side also. Please do not be dependent only on one online coaching center. Self practice will help you a lot. I hope you get it right.
Yes, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
All right. God bless you. You should listen Britishers, Americans, and Australians more. Whatever you listen, try to speak in a good manner. You should focus to listening a lot, right?
Okay, sir.
All right. And you can follow Voice of America, British BBC Learning, Rachel's, Minu. These are good trainers and good YouTube channels there.
Sure, sir.
All right. Great. Good job. God bless you. Vikrant.
Yes, sir.
How do you practice to learn English, and which is your best way to learn it?
Actually, sir, I follow the methods of reading and listening from since 2 months. But when you talk about the active recall, I just came my mind. I just a lot of things. A lot of books. I just 12 to 13 books I already reads, and maybe just in a whole day I just at least 1 hour to get listening some English news, some podcasts, and music. But when I heard about the active recall, I just came my mind. I don't follow the active recall. I just follow the passive recalls a lot of time, and lot of percentage give to this passive recall, and which I'm just in our whenever we just in education systems, we are just we reading and we learning a lot of languages like Hindi, Marathi, and English. So we just focus on the passive recall. We just reading a lot of much and face the exams in whatever in the written. But we don't follow the in YYs and all. Just like for just 5 minutes and 10 minutes, and that time we just use Marathi language and Hindi language. But whenever the talk about the active recall, we don't follow about English. We just follow our native language like Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, whatever the language is there. We just follow from the since childhood, and now we are just very good and very fluent in this local languages. But we talk about the English language, we just follow the passive recall like reading, listening. This whatever the education systems gave to gave to us. But we don't follow, and now we are just any like your organization, your organization just gave to the lot of percentage to the active recall. Like these are the good medium to get active recall from. We are just in team meeting. We just concentrate on what active recall. We just shared our things, whatever we just experience and all. But we in the past we just follow the passive recall. That's the main reason that English language we don't speak very fluently, and now we just know about the words, and we know about I don't know about a lot of vocabulary in my mind, but but whatever the now I just share my feeling in the follow of the active recall, and like whatever the minds came in my words, I just express my words in English. So that's why I just that's all about myself.
Thank you very much.
Welcome,
guys.
Thank you.
Last question, you would speak for 30 seconds only. First, only for 30 seconds you guys would show your experience. So Srinkla, how do you feel now? You feel like confident or?
Yes, sir. I feel very confident in speaking, sir.
Speak little more. 30 seconds.
Yes, sir. When I started, then I was unable to frame a sentence in front of anyone. But now I am confident that I speak anything is come in my mind. I just speak without any thinking. That is the way I express myself in front of anyone. It will help a lot to me, sir.
Thank you very much, Babu. Rajendra ji, please share. How do you feel now, sir?
Sir, earlier I was actually there was thoughts in my mind, but I was sometimes unable to speak just because I am not translating the things properly. But now there's no need to translate everything, whatever in my mind I speak through. So I am thinking I am little more confident than earlier. So that is the thing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. You're taking rest. Great job. Sumanpreet ji, you please share. How do you feel now? All right. Arvind Pandey. All right. Sumanpreet ji, please go ahead and tell us how do you feel now? Arvind, please go ahead and share. How do you feel now? Arvind Pandey.
Hello, sir. Sir, I am feeling great, but little bit nervous, little bit nervousness when I in front public or any person or any relatives. Then in that time I feel nervousness. And other time if I talk to unknown person and he don't know me about personally me. So in that time I feel very comfortable.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you very much, and God bless you. Kajal, how do you feel now? 30 seconds only you have.
Sir, now I feel very confident. Thank you so much. This type of platform you created for us. Thank you so much. Now I speak good. I think so. Thank you.
All the best. God bless you. Prateek ji.
As per my personal opinion, I feel great and fabulous to give that platform for more helping each and every person to give your opinion and give your speaking and many more things you can do it with your help. Thank you so much.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Agra.
You're from Agra. Wow, great. Very
Thank you,
close to Great, great. All right. Birendra, you please share.
Yes, sir. So before I join premium class, at that time when I speak something that I feel very hesitation. But now after joining premium class, I not feel hesitation, and I always speak in English, improve day by day. And I think after 1 month, if I practice regularly, I can speak English very fluently. So thank you for create online class, and thank you very much, sir.
Great job, great job. Ma'am, Meena ji, sorry, Reena ji. Ma'am, please.
Yes, sir. I'm feeling better and more confident. Before earlier, I didn't speak not a simple sentence in English. Now I am feeling better and improving much. That is a great institute.
All right, ma'am. Are you standing or sitting?
I'm sitting.
Okay, I thought you were standing.
This room is also our coaching institute. We run our coaching institute. My husband is math teacher and I'm an accountants teacher.
All right, great.
So this is our institution room.
All right. Are you from Ajmer, Rajasthan?
Yes, sir.
You are from Ajmer, Rajasthan or UP?
No, Ajmer in Rajasthan.
Okay. Great. Okay, that's really very nice. So you run a coaching, you are there in a school. So sir is a maths teacher, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
And I have 2 children. My son is an engineer.
Wow.
Working in MNCs.
Great.
And daughter is an IITian.
Wow,
She's in
great.
second year.
Great, ma'am. Which IIT? I mean, which college? Which
IIT
institution?
Roorkee. IIT Roorkee.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Uttarakhand. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And that's good. That is really very nice IIT. IIT Roorkee has good reputation. God bless you.
Yes.
God bless you, kids, and you're doing great job, ma'am, in teaching. Okay.
Yes.
To you, Pratik is done. These guys are done. Vikrant, are you done? Yes, done. Ram, done. Varsha, done. Tripti ji. All right. Ram, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Today I am feeling very good and very confident. I think we have improved 40% the English spoken within 22 days, right? Earlier we are not able to speak any sentences, but only 22 days I have spent on that platform, and I cover much topic from your side. And my request you to, sir, my request you to that please continue process online classes, because many students are not able to join offline classes as well.
Okay, thank you. We will try to keep it. By the problem from my side, I'm a bit lazy and I don't want to take a little more tension and all. So due to that, I don't do job anywhere. I am self-employed. I teach here only. But we will try to keep it continue with our team. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, bro. God bless you. Varsha.
Yes, sir. Hello?
Yes. Go ahead, please. 30 seconds you have only. How do you feel now?
Yes, sir. I'm feeling so great, sir. Before I'm joined MCD, I have no confidence to express ourselves. But now I am able to speak anyone, any person, any stranger I talk. And now I'm create my own environment to talk, because YouTube, everybody says ki I have no environment and I'm a blaze. But I say everyone ki if you want to do anything, so you do. And if you think I'm only thinking, so it's not enough, and asking question is not enough. You do hard work, so you achieve anything. If you do hard work, so you can't do anything.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
God
sir.
bless you. All right, Bhavna ji, you please tell us 30 seconds you have. How do you feel now?
I really feel very much confident. Specifically, I have seen a number of the changes while communicating with my clients. Like initially, it happens that I forgot to take a breath also. No, so now I am a bit relaxed, poised, and whatever I want to say, I actually take a minute and convey the same whatever thoughts I have in my mind. So I feel much more calm, poised, and confident and happy. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. God bless you. Tripti ji, in the last, how do you feel now?
Sir, today I'm very happy and I'm very confident because, sir, you know, sir, first day I'm talking, sir, I am not able to speak in single word. I am not able my introduction. But today I am talking, sir. I'm very happy. I'm confident, and I'm very confident today, sir. Thank you.
And really very sorry, it might be around 12 o'clock and still you are getting up.
No, sir, I am happy. I am very happy today. I'm part of your MCD. It is my dream, sir. I had seen this. One day I will be in part of your MCD. This is conference, sir. I'm very happy, sir.
And guys, Tripti ma'am was very excited before the class.
Yeah, sir, I'm very excited.
When will class start? When will class start? She was writing
Sir,
messages.
I am very excited. Sir, because of motivation of sir, I get motivation, sir.
All right, thank you
Sir,
very much.
I'm watching other person videos. So I feel ki everybody my scene video. So it's very confident, sir. I'm very thank you, sir. Thank you, give me opportunity, sir.
And yesterday I saw on group Kajal was writing many times, I want to join. I said in the Kajal will also participate. Take her in this group. He said okay. You write so many times, Kajal, that you want to join. Am I right? All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. Sumanpreet ji, she wants to say something. She has written in the comment there. Please go ahead, ma'am.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
sorry sir, there is problem because it's raining here, so camera is not available on the camera. So I am very glad today because I thought one day I will join your part of conversation, online conversation. So now my dream is complete. So I agree with the Tripti ma'am and Varsha ma'am. Create own environment.
Correct.
Don't
Correct.
blame anyone, because when they join engineering, I blame to my parents. Why you don't my admission in English school, private school, because my studying in all government school. But today I am never blamed to anyone, anything, any person. So create on environment. Sir, thank you so much. And you are not only provide English classes. You are consultant, and you encourage to everyone, and counseling also, and motivational. Most important, you motivate to everyone. This is awesome, sir. I really thankful you, you and your all team, my career doctor. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sister, and God bless you. Jim Rohn Saab is a great motivational speaker. If you want to read, you can read Jim Rohn, Jim, Jim R-W-R-O-N, I guess. He says that if you want to do something, you will find the way. अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं, तो रास्ते मिलेंगे. Pratik, brother, and if you don't want to do anything, you will find excuses only. Getting this now? I'm saying this to all of you. आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं, तो रास्ते मिलेंगे, नहीं तो बहाने मिलेंगे. So it is our decision. Like you said, ma'am, that you're from Punjabi medium. I'm also from Hindi medium, but we had to face so many issues, difficulties in our life. So what? We never ever have to give up. Second thing, बच्चा लोग, this video would be long. मैं इसे edit नहीं करूँगा. As it is, मैं इसे YouTube पे डाल दूँगा. एक ये memory रहेगा. 10 साल के बाद आप अपने बच्चों को दिखाएंगे कि ये देखो. Anyways, all right. So this will be like memory for future, and मैं भी अपने बच्चों को दिखाऊंगा. Yes. So God bless you.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am. 1 year,
Okay.
1 year before I got married.
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay,
बच्चा
sir.
लोग.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. Most
Thank you,
welcome.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai
Jai
Hind.
Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai